Hi students, today I'm using a product called Screencast-o Matic. Screencast-o Matic, and I'm going to teach you how to turn a Zoom video into a YouTube video, but this is also another way. I am recording my screen at the same time that I'm going to do this. So I'm actually going to go to my YouTube account. I've already got it open, and I want to download one of my Zoom videos. So right here is a little download button. I click that, and I'm going to convert it into, I just think YouTube's the easiest version. So I hit this one and it says upload video, gives me a chance to do that, and I can drag because I've already got it open, okay? So it's over here, I have a little Zoom file, and when I was there, I actually made, let me see if I can show you. I actually made one video and it didn't work. The second one, I broke out in the middle of it. And then the third one I used. So this is the one that we need to do, and I can call this anything I want, but I'm going to call this training on converting MP3 video to YouTube. Okay, and when I'm done with that, this says it's public. I'm going to add it to my training modules. I have a bunch of those, and then I'm going to share. And so it's going to work on this. It's processing it, and I have to hit the word publish. So I'm going to make this a little bigger so I can see, go down to the bottom. Everything looks good. Processing done. It says to click publish. And here's my video link. Oh, publish is up here under my face. I see it now. Okay, here we go. All right, and that was it. Not too hard, just wanted to quickly take you through that. Thank you.